Hi, good evening, all my viewers. Welcome back to the channel Learn with Veena here. Here we are coming up with some more videos on English grammar. So I am coming up with my ninth video of English grammar. Till now we have completed some topics on grammar which we have already seen up. If you have missed seen, there's an I button kept above. Also in description box you can view all the links for the videos that have come up in grammar. So here with the ninth video, can you anyone guess what is the video on? Yes, it's articles. So let's learn the simplest topic on English grammar, that is articles. Now, what are articles? Article is an adjective which actually modifies nouns. Articles are used to indicate whether a noun refers to a specific or a general item. There are two main types of articles, that is definite articles and indefinite articles. So today we are going to learn the topic with definite and indefinite articles. Now, as we had in question tag some points to note, similarly for articles we have some points to note. So keep in mind when you're attempting questions on articles or you're using articles when you're speaking English. Even articles are very important when you have spoken English with others. So words like a and the are called articles. They come before nouns. Keep that in mind. They come before nouns. An is called indefinite article. The is called definite article. Indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns. Definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now let us begin with a or an. Now when you're writing article, always listen to the sound of the words. Don't go with the alphabets, but go with the sound of the words which we are using, and then you think whether to use a or an or the. So a or an is determined using sound. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound, vowels A, E, I, O, U, which you have learned in our childhood. An is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now for this article a and an, there are some exceptions. Suppose words are beginning with consonants, okay, having consonant alphabets, but have a vowel sound like honest. Honest, we don't say honest, we say it as honest. H is silent. So here the sound is honest, O. So O is our vowel. So hence we will use an honest boy. Suppose a case is uh, vowel words are given, alphabets are given, sorry, and consonant sound is put up. So there, for example, one. One is not O, it's V, one, V. So V is coming under consonant sounds. So hence we will write a one hand army, a one. Okay, user, U, Y, O. You know, Y, O is there, not U. So for you it is umbrella, So this way we come up with U is different, is different. Now when we say user, it's YO. Hence a user friendly book. So A is used. Understood? When it is consonant words, we will and have vowel sound, we'll use an. When it is vowel alphabets at the beginning and a consonant sound, we'll use the article A. Now, some examples on article a and an ass, an enemy, a boy, an umbrella, see that? An R is not her, it's R, so an R, a 1 rupee note, a European, a unicorn, okay? Now let us speak about article the. When we talk about a particular person or thing, we use article the. For example, let's go to the park. It's park, a place. So particularly about that park is being spoken up. So the book you want is out of print. So it is particularly saying about a thing, that is book. So hence the book. The girl cried. So the is used. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, something is word is provided in the sentence and it is representing the whole group. Like for cattles, I could say all the cattles like cows and all which we have, which is present. So for a singular noun which is representing a whole class, we use the article the. Here it is like I would say the horse is a noble animal. See the horse. Here horse means not a single horse, entire class of horse is being spoken up. So here I have the. Now the rose is sweetest of all flowers. Here rose means just not one rose, entire group of rose flowers which is present. So article the is used. Again the cat loves comfort. It's not only one cat at your house, it's cat species animal itself which loves comfort. So hence article the is used over here. Now, before some proper nouns, the Pacific Ocean. See, Pacific Ocean is a proper noun, hence we use the Ganga, the Suez Canal, the Sahara Desert, the Himalayas, the Black Sea. Now, generally articles are not used before countries, states, cities, towns, continents, single lakes or single mountains. Now, there are some exceptions to it. If a country name includes states, kingdom, republic, etc., we use the. For example, the United States of America. Why? Because it is 23 colonies which is comprised of USA. Hence, we use the USA. Also for India, we don't use the, but when it comes Republic of India, yes, we do write the Republic of India. So remember that when we comprise many states or colonies or when we write kingdom or republic, we use the article the. Now you can have a reference to this in the movie English Winglish if you have viewed it. There it's being spoken by the actress in the movie about this particular concept of why is it not said the for some and why is it said the for some. If you have time, just move to that channel English Winglish and surely view it. It will get you lots and lots of knowledge on English. Now, before names of certain books, musical instruments, things of unique kind. The Vedas, the Ramayana, the sun, the sky, the flute. Even with superlatives. Superlatives, it's under degrees of comparison where we have positive, comparative and superlatives. We'll be learning it in the upcoming videos. Like the darkest cloud has a silver lining. So darkest is a superlative. So the is used before it. This is the best book. So best, good, better, best. Best is superlative. So hence the is used. So with superlatives also we have the article the. Now there are some omissions, that means where articles are not used, not a single article, not a, neither an or nor the is used. Now which are the cases? Before names of abstract nouns or substances like sugar, gold, wisdom, we never use article. Before plural countable nouns in general sense, for example children, chocolates, etc. Before languages like English, Punjabi and all, we never use articles. And even there are many more exceptions which where necessary we have omission of article while speaking up in English for certain cases, like we had in countries just now we had seen. These are exceptional cases where we omit articles or sometimes we put also. Now here we have completed with our video on article today. It's a very small video with very small rules with some practice questions. Now winding up, I would read out some quote by famous personalities here. It's by Aristotle in this video. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. So I guess you all will have sweeter fruits in your life with a good amount of knowledge through your education. I guess you all have enjoyed my video on articles today. Thank you all for watching it. If you have liked my video, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the channel Learn with Veena Iyer. Thank you once again.